The visual and active method. If you're a visual and active teacher, you have strategies for engaging the student. And one of the ways I do it is I have an individual education plan. This communicates to the student three things. First, it's individual. Yes, we have a lesson plan for the entire group, but we also have a lesson plan for each individual. The second thing that it communicates is the student must have a goal, and that's the first thing that's here. This can be applied to any subject, but I'm presenting it for English as a foreign language. How will you use English 5 years from now? And what is your current job? Or what would you like your job to be? So that helps connect. We want to find relevance. This is the term that Dennis Lipke uses. We want to make it relevant. Interesting connotes relevance. Rigor comes from assigning many activities. And then there's the third R, relationship. The fact that the teacher is asking these questions generates a deeper relationship with the student. These are called the new 3 R's. In any other subject, there would be core vocabulary sets to be learned. So I just have a couple of ones that are typically absent in most students. And so they have to aim at filling this page. A second page that's very useful is called the task list. And they're given some tasks along with some points. They say you get 4 stars if you interrupt and politely and talk about the day's news or talk about big news in your country. So I communicate to the students that there's a culture of interrupting. There's a culture of grabbing the curriculum and sharing it. Without taking over and monopolizing the class, we're going to take turns interrupting. This right here is a checklist of typical vocabulary sets and skills that many students want or have asked for, you know, preparing for a test, preparing for college. The other key ingredients, making this about a 50-cent cost, is the little prongs. And so I can check at any point the progress of the student. Claudia, please write me for your learning book. She left it behind. But students are able to share this with their next teacher. So then the next teacher knows what they've been doing. For example, looking for words in the newspaper.